I made gyros the other night and we had leftovers, so rather than making gyros again, we're going to try something different. First, we're going to crack 6 eggs into a bowl and mix well. Next, melt some butter in a skillet, put it to the side, and we'll move on to the next step. We're going to add a heaping tablespoon of cream to the egg mixture and stir. Some people add Worcestershire or mayo to their eggs when they're making omelets, or you can just leave the cream and everything out, just pure eggs. It's your choice. Next, we're going to pour this into a skillet and we're going to cook on medium-high until barely any moisture is left on the top. Next, we're going to add the lamb slices, some tomato slices, black olives or Greek olives, and then provolone. I'm going to use Swiss, but Swiss or provolone works. Then, fold the omelet in half, get ready to flip onto a plate. There we go. Now we top with ziti sauce and voila, a gyro omelet. Enjoy.